we've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ShaniceAlisha. For everyone who is new, welcome, welcome. And for my ride or die babies, hey y'all. So by the looks of this, scarf tying down my edges and the setup, me, with the bare face, you guys already know, and the title, duh, that's why y'all clicked on the video. Anyway, I'm about to do a holiday makeup look and I hope you guys like it. I'm going to focus primarily on the eyes and the entire look itself. So I'm actually just going to do my brows off camera and come back and give you guys this juice. But before we hop into this video, just because you love me, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below all of your thoughts. That helps me know what type of videos you guys like to see, whether my content is working out good for you or you'd rather go somewhere else. But since you're here, go ahead and press that red subscribe button, baby, and don't forget to tap the bell. All right, so brow. Whew. Whew. Hashtag no bad brow day, baby. Okay, so just to let you guys know, I use the Too Faced Hangover RX primer to prime my skin before I even put any type of makeup on it, and then I use the, I'm trying to look down and see, I know what I use, but I'm acting weird. Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the dark brown dip pomade to fill my brows. And then you guys know Amande by NARS is the go-to concealer that I use. It matches my skin tone perfectly. It cleans up and just is so nice, not cakey. I can't explain it, but it is a go-to. If you want to see a completed brow tutorial, I have one from last year up on my channel and I'll link it above. But if you guys want an updated one, because as you know, things change, I will be glad to bring it to you. Now, let's go ahead and get into this holiday look. I'm gonna do a voiceover because I can't multitask, y'all. I'd be doing my makeup for 3 hours trying to talk to y'all. So boom, let's go. And I know I'm not supposed to be talking right now. I can't even pay attention. I will link. No, I ain't gonna link. Let me stop lying. I'm going to put below all the products that I'm using in the description box. So, on to me shutting up. Alright guys, so with that same NARS concealer, I'm going to go in and prime my eyelids. I'm also going to conceal any darkness around my eyes, and then I'm going to go in with my setting powder and make sure that I set my concealer before I move in with any color. And as you guys see, I'm using like a pat motion instead of sweeping the product on, because you don't want to layer your product and then wipe it off. So the pat motion helps you do that. Alright, so to start off with this Morphe eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to go in and do a circular motion, sweeping back and forth, primarily in the crease area of my eye to give a smooth transition before I move in with a color to really define my crease. Alright, so the key here is just to blend, blend, blend. The more you blend, the better your colors look and the smoother they appear in terms of a transition from one color to the next. So now I'm going to go in with a smaller, more dense brush. I believe this is from MAC. I'm not sure of the number, but I'm just going to go in and define my crease. So I'm focusing just on the crease area. And as you know, I'm just taking that sweeping motion back and forth on my eyelid. So now with a clean brush, I'm just going to go in and kind of blend those colors together. That way it's not too harsh of a transition from my auburn color down to the smoky purple that I'm using. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone. So I'm using this color here from the palette that you guys seen. And I'm also going to take the highlighter I'll be using all over my face and do it on top of that. So I'm going to layer my highlighters. Alright, so what I'm about to do now is a few swatches of some loose shadows that I have from BareMinerals. Completely random. I just want to kind of swatch and see what color I want to use for my lid. Not sure if I'm going to do a cut crease, but I just kind of want to see where I'm going with the colors here. Because I want it to be like a gold sparkly situation, but not too much, just enough. So I'm going to do a few colors on the back of my hand, if you guys are wondering. Okay, so this last one is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see how it has like a little shimmer in it. So pretty. But I don't know, for this video, I don't know. I may go with the, oh, this is hard. The first one that I did, or should I do the second one? The second one is kind of more of the bronzy. It's not really gold. Let me see. That ain't it either. I think I'm probably gonna go with the
5 hours later.
I'm gonna go with this one. It has like a blue sparkly. It's pretty. It's pretty. I'm gonna rock with that. I am gonna rock with that. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the shadow in the cut crease form, but I'm actually just doing the foiling method because I knew this color would be super pigmented. So all you have to do is take a flat-headed eyeshadow brush. You wanna put your product on there, tap it off, and then spritz it with your setting spray, and the color will pop more. This is a good tip to do whenever you're using like a loose eyeshadow or something with like glitter or a lot of shimmer in it. So I'm kind of just doing the cut crease motion, and then you guys see me kind of tapping the color in there as well, so I can kind of keep the small little glitter sparkles that's in there on the lid instead of sweeping it away. I know you guys really can't see it on camera, but in person it was so pretty, y'all. Y'all, I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. One thing that I do love about their eyeshadows and just like color products in general is they're extremely pigmented. So instead of doing a cut crease, I just wanted to foil this. So I used my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and then of course like a flat headed brush for eyeshadow, and you guys saw I streaks it on there and it's super pigmented. I did not have to redip, reapply. It came on pretty good. Like, that's a full coat of eyeshadow. That's nice. That's nice. It's pretty like shimmery up close. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera, but it's pretty shimmery up close, and it just has a cute like holiday kind of glow, even though it's more like on the pinky nude side. Of course, with loose shadow, you're gonna get a good amount of fallout. Maybe not as much as I did. Probably didn't tap my brush off well enough, but I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. So since we're in the loose shadows, I'm going to take another one and just kind of do it on the tear duct, because, you know, can't go without it. All right, so now I'm going to take that same smoky purple color and go in and redefine my crease. It got a little lost in all of the blending, but I really want it to stand out and pop. So I'm just going to gently go over where I did the brighter eyeshadow and just kind of accentuate my crease a little bit more. All right, so y'all know I was coming with the wing liner. I'm just gonna go in with this liquid eyeliner and just do short strokes and drag it out to make the perfect wing. It's super easy to use, y'all, and if you're a beginner, I would suggest doing this. Okay, so eyes are done. I'm gonna push this back a little bit and go ahead and get started on my face. I know I'm not supposed to be talking to y'all. We're going in between a voiceover and just me doing this, but it saves me some time. I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me. It's in the color 338, and what's this? What is the name? Spicy Brown. So, oh, spicy, spicy. I'm gonna go in with a brush, and then of course you guys know I like to dab with Oh, I'm running out of hand space. I like to dab with my beauty blender, so let's get into that because this look is almost done. I'm gonna finish up my eyes when I get done doing the rest of my face. Alright, so going in with my foundation, that same fluffy brush that I used to put the concealer on my eyelid, I'm doing like tapping motions, I'm stroking, I'm doing streaks, I'm doing all type of stuff to just blend this color in. And then you guys know I'm going to take my beauty blender, and it's actually by e.l.f. It's like a $4 sponge that they're selling everywhere now. It is damp, and I'm just going to press pat that product in. I did put it on the back of my hand, so I'm not sure in terms of how much I use, but I did go full coverage. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer. This is actually in the color Caramel. I think it's about 2 shades up from Amande, and then I'm going to actually layer Amande on top of it. I just like the color that it gives me for a highlight. And I'm not doing that forehead. Alright, so this is a new thing. I have not been into baking lately because it's just always a great area for things to go wrong. Either my skin gets too dry, it starts sticking to places that I don't want really pronounced. So I kind of just take a dense powder brush and I put my setting powder on there, and then I sweep it right off. So just a new upgraded little tip. If you get really dry and you're not into baking but you still want the baking look, you just do it like a regular setting powder. Alright, so now I'm just going to contour just with a little powder. I'm not even going to go in and do the whole thing because I'm not in the mood.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright, so to make my contour pop a little bit more, I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend out my concealer and kind of just carve out that contour so it makes it a whole lot sharper. And then I'm also going to go in with my setting powder to make sure that it really makes it pop. Because you guys know, where you contour, you must highlight. Or where you highlight, you must contour. No, where the darkness rises, the light must come. What the hell I'm talking about? Alright, so now I'm going to just go in with that smoky purple on my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to do heavy mascara on the bottom lash. And then do light mascara on the top lash. Go off camera and put on my lashes and then come back. So went off camera to put my lashes on. Now we're going to do some blush, highlighter, and then I'm going to set my face, do my lips, and we're going to close out. So just a few more seconds. Alright, so I feel like it's only right to do a good blush because for the holidays, you just kind of want to keep that rosy, merry look on your face. And then I also feel like it's going to tie in my eyes with my cheeks, with my lips. And then you guys know I'm going to go crazy with this highlighter on my cheekbone, under the brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. The only place I'm not doing is that forehead because, baby, it emits enough light on its own. Alright, so I almost didn't want to do a red lip, but since my eyes aren't like extremely dramatic, I think I can do a little red lip because it's the holidays and this is a holiday glam look. So let's see how the red looks. Whew, I'm nervous. And I don't use any lip liner, y'all. I just kind of go in, take my time, and line my lip with the wand itself. It's totally optional. A good lip liner for red is, of course, like a smoked purple, or you can do like a deep brown, but the purple really makes a pretty ombre. And that's it, y'all. This is the completed look. I love it. Girl, this is my favorite part of filming a beauty tutorial. I get to do these slow-mos, and your girl is just... ooh, baby, enjoy. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's holiday glam makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and would love to recreate it for your holiday parties, whether they be for companies, family, or ugly sweater parties. I don't know, y'all. Just create the look, get into it because it's super cute, really easy. You don't have to worry about any cut creases, using like any crazy products that you don't know how to use. Just simple, foiling, a little blending, a little Sensational shimmer, and you're done. Okay, so you guys already know the drill. Thumbs it up, comment down below what you think, and don't forget to press that red subscribe button, baby, and tap the bell before you leave. And if you guys are not caught up on my Vlogmas videos, go ahead and do so. I'll put the link right up here, and you guys already know your girl loves you, okay? I know I look like I'm smiling so super cheap, but y'all, my lips feel stuck together. Anyway, all the products that I did use will be down below in the description box, so you guys already know. Until next time, peace, guys.